SiteBuilder.com overview. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to talk about SiteBuilder.com, which is a website builder platform that allows users to create and design websites without coding knowledge. It offers a user-friendly drag and drop interface, a wide range of templates, and customizable elements. Users can easily add features like e-commerce, blogs, and contact forms. The platform provides hosting services, making it a one-stop solution for building and managing websites efficiently. So let's dive into it, guys, and let's see how this platform works. So this is the main page of our platform. We can log in from this button, and if you don't have an account, you can get started from here. And this website builder, guys, is powered by web.com. So to create our account, we have to discover a domain and purchase a domain from here. As you can see, we can just type the name of our domain and hit search. As you can see here the prices of the domains: .net, .org, .info, .star, and everyone with its own price. Also here you can see the one that we already chose, bob3need.com, and it's approximately $12 a year. So here, if you want to add it to your cart from here, so I can't add it to my cart. I'm gonna reload. So I think, so here we can add it to our cart. As you can see, you can click add, and then we can proceed to checkout. If you liked any one of those, you can just add it also to your cart, and then you hit continue. They will take you to this page where you will be able to see some other products like Google Workspace email, quick start website builder service, website builder packages. If you want to purchase anything else, domain expiration protection. So if you want to add anything else to your cart, you just add it from here. If not, you continue to cart, and here where you can pay for your domain name. So you can choose the timestamp for your domain: 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, and so on. They have up to 10 years, and you can choose if you want the domain privacy, monthly, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. If not, you just close it from here, and here it gives you a message if you really want to remove the domain privacy. As you can see, if you want to keep your domain protected or remove from cart, so I'm just going to remove it, to leave it. And here, if you want to protect your website from cybercrime, spammers, and hackers, you can just hit secure my site, and you will have this $7 added to your final price. And then you hit continue to checkout, and here you have the contact information. You give them your name, last name, country, address, and the second address if you want. It's optional. Your city, state, province, region, postal code, and then your email, phone number, and the account information. You give them your password and you confirm your password, and your billing information if you want to pay with your credit card or your PayPal. Then you will be able, your profile will be created, and you will be able to log in the website that we already talked about, which is the site builder. So creating your after buying your domain and creating your account, you can be able to create websites like this one, as we see. So let's see some websites from here. So this is an example of the websites they have. We can see the plans from here. So they have the online store plan, which is the $40, $14 per month, and the $20 per month, which is the online marketplaces. So everyone with its own features. You can add anyone you like to your cart and proceed to checkout. So let's see some websites from here. Websites overview. So those are the websites that are available in this platform. As you can see, expert website design, and here we can build our own website. So it will take us to this place here when we can start creating our website with drag and drop website building, 1 free hour of web design support, over 150 professionally designed templates, ready-made content blocks. So to proceed to create our website, we need to buy one of these plans. So unfortunately, they don't have a free trial in the platform, but it's pretty affordable. As you can see, for just $4, approximately $5 a month for just one website. If you want website and marketing, you can just do that for $8 a month. If you want an online store, $14 a month, and the online marketplaces is $20 a month. You can compare packages or plans from here. You see the features and where they are different, as you can see from here. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.